Alright, everyone, and welcome back to the daily update on 1000 days challenge. This day 626. So let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, as you understand, today is Monday. I'm just covering in terms of crypto market and the weekly closing itself, as the traditional financial market just opened earlier today itself. Alright, in terms of the price action on the weekly chart, there's something to take note of Bitcoin itself. So definitely since last week itself, we're definitely not on a good sign. And following this week, we're actually still continuing towards the further downside. So the key thing we actually like to do, which is I draw this new upslope trend, actually remove away the daily upslope trend line, because I realized that we're actually forming a very nice upslope trend line over here as well. So over here is where there could be potential support coming through on a weekly basis. So as long as you do not close below this low, which is 37.6K region itself by this week or even next week, I would say there's still a very good chance that we could still resume towards the upward trend and momentum. But if, on the other hand, we stay over here for extended periods, say more than 3 weeks, similarly, then I would think that if we do break below, we will form a very much stronger break downwards to retest even towards the 30K mark or even the 28K region itself, especially if time was to permit and this thing was to creep towards the upside along the 200 week simple moving average, which is currently around 21K region itself, and could potentially be around 22K when the time comes, even if it comes next week or next month in that sense. All right, so other than that, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. In terms of daily chart wise, let's just go down the daily chart wise. I want to mention actually change this up from trend line to this weekly chart, because weekly there is a greater weightage when it comes to a trend line, especially upslope trend line support. So let's see how things goes. And then finally, I don't see any short setup any further, simply because of the fact that I want to mention, if we break below this trigger point, which is at 39.2K region itself, and then the sell momentum is like this, forming potential false breakout setup, that is when I will close my trade, either at a little break even or at a little stop loss as it is right now. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.